This video covers common Honda gearbox models. This is the most common, a 2-to-1 gearbox. Tools you will need for this are a 14mm socket and ratchet, along with an oil drain pan. Note that out of the box, all Honda gearboxes will ship dry. You need to add oil before running your product. On the dipstick here, make sure you check first to see if oil is already installed. The only recommended oil for use in the gearbox is 10W30. To drain existing oil, take the dipstick out of the gearbox, tip the engine or unit on its side, and then take off the drain plug with a 14mm socket. Drain the oil. Place the plug back in and torque to 19 foot-pounds. Pour the new oil into the fill hole. Check to make sure the oil level fills to full. As shown, here is the engine oil insert area. Oil from the gearbox does not flow into this area. It is important to put oil in each insert point so both are properly lubed. Now your Honda engine and gearbox are serviced and ready to go.